Ever tried cutting plywood by hand, only to end up with ragged edges and splinters? Frustrating, right? Today, I'm going to show you how to get perfect, tear-free plywood cuts every time, and reveal the one saw that makes it dead simple. Stick around, because I'll share my top pick at the end. Plywood is made of thin layers glued together. That layered look causes two big issues when you saw by hand. Fibers can tear out on the bottom, and thin blades can bind or bend in the cut. Picking the right saw helps you avoid those problems. Here's what to check. Teeth per inch, TPI. Aim for 10 to 14 TPI for smooth veneer cuts. Fewer than 8 TPI tears out layers. More than 16 TPI slows you down. Blade length, 12 to 15 inches, balances reach and control. Longer blades cover more in each stroke. Short blades give tighter control near edges. Blade stiffness. Thin, stiff blades resist bending and binding. A stiff spine helps keep your cuts straight. Low friction finish. Polished or Teflon-coated blades slide through wood layers. That keeps your stroke smooth and easy. Ergonomic handle. Rubber or TPR grips cut down on hand fatigue. A comfy handle helps you guide the saw straight. Before you saw, clamp and support your sheet on two sawhorses or a work table. That keeps the plywood from sagging and stops fibers from tearing. Score your cut line first. A light score severs top veneer fibers, so your full cut stays clean. Keep a steady 45-degree angle and even pressure. Let the tool do the work. Find a slow push-pull rhythm for the smoothest edges. Here's a list of 5 best hand saws for cutting plywood. But my top pick is the Barco PC1214PS Japanese pull saw. Here's why. 14 TPI slices through layers cleanly. 12-inch blade is the perfect balance of reach and control. Stiff, thin blade resists binding, so it glides smoothly through plywood. Ergonomic pistol grip cuts down on hand fatigue, even on long cuts. And if you're still on the fence, here's a quick way to decide. Buy if you need sharp, precise cuts on plywood and moldings. You want a lightweight saw that fits easily in your toolkit. You value a comfortable grip that guides each pull stroke. You're looking for reliable mid-range Japanese pull saw performance. Don't buy if you plan long, heavy-duty ripping sessions that stress the blade. You require ultra-fine teeth for very delicate veneer cuts. You need the lowest cost option for occasional, light tasks. Keep your saw like new by wiping off glue and sap after each use. A rag with mineral spirits works great. Store it flat or hanging by the handle so the teeth stay straight. When it dulls, a fine triangular file will bring back its edge. To cut plywood like a pro, remember, aim for 10 to 14 TPI. Pick a thin, stiff blade and score your line first. My top pick is the Barco pull saw. Check the link in the description to get yours. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.